Boom. Oh, wait. Come. Thank you very much.
Well, I mean, thank you. It's a very historic moment for us. We just sought audience with Mr. President, where the leadership of the GSA, a representative of the leadership of GSA led by Father Pa Tajuddin Oluyole Lucy, led some of us to come and formally also present and to Mr. President, Mr. Deputy Governor, and by the grace of God, the would-be flag bearer of APC in Lagos State, Dr. Kadri Opafemi Hamzat, for Mr. President validation, accent, and blessing for him to proceed, on his on all of his moves. So it's a very memorable day for me personally, because it's the same team, that happened about 8 years ago, when both of us, me as candidate and he as a deputy candidate, met, Mr. President. So for me, it's another full circle homecoming, and I cannot but thank God that indeed, him as president, you're seeing a future baton handover from the governor to the deputy governor, who will sit in by the grace of God as the governor of the state. It's memorable, and I think we need to congratulate Lagos even in advance.
Your Excellency, is memorable indeed, and this follows the public announcement you have done of your deputy. So what informed this decision of choosing Mr. Hamzat?
Well, we told Lagosians 8 years ago that Lagos was indeed getting 2 for the price of 1. Mr. Deputy Governor 8 years ago could also have been the governor of the state. He has the credentials, he has the charisma, he has what it takes. But guess what? He's been a loyal, dedicated, committed deputy governor for the past 7 years. And the minimum that we can do is for him, to aspire to it. He's the one that knows the room, that knows the design of the house, that has worked, that has been, and we've been on this journey for over 20 years together in one form or the other. So we're indeed very, very happy. And you can see our fathers, our leaders are all here to validate and to confirm, what the aspiration of all the political, the political stakeholders in Lagos truly, really wants.
And thank you, Excellency. Now, it's not easy to get the endorsement of one's principal in this form. Now you have been announced publicly as a likely successor. What does this mean to you?
Well, it means that Lagos has a structure, and Lagos has a template, leadership template. If you go to a business school, what they tell you is you must have mentors. These are our mentors. They are fathers, they are leaders. They've seen a lot of Christmas. They've seen a lot of Eid al-Kabir. So they have experience. And therefore, I'm really, really excited that they brought me here to meet Mr. President. And Mr. President has blessed us, endorsed the decision of DAC. And so I'm excited, and we are prayerful that God will continue to uplift Nigeria and uplift Lagos State.
So how ready are you for this?
Well, nobody is ready. Nobody is ready, because the assignment is audacious, it's long, but you just pray. What you have is experience. I'm sure you know about Einstein. He said knowledge is about experience. You cannot remember what you don't know. It's only what you know that you remember. So what I can tell you is, having served as the deputy governor of Lagos under Governor Sanwo-Olu, I've learned a lot. I have a lot of experience. Like he said, I know the room. I know where the kitchen is. If you want to cook for people, if you don't know the kitchen, it doesn't matter how good a chef you are. You must know the kitchen, you must understand it. So with God's blessings and the support of all my fathers here, I really don't have any fear. I know that God will be on our side.
There are insinuations that the candidacy, the consensus choice for His Excellency is being enforced on the party in Lagos, and that an individual aspirant is saying that it's not a choice of all members. What do you have to say to that?
You see, we're in an arena of politics, and people are free to express, their opinion. We are in a free society. But I have been in politics for a very long time. I was part of the team that raised Alhaji Eke Jakonde. And since then, I have been part of every team that raised all the governors except one. So therefore, it is part of the system that we should come together, put our heads together, and take a course of action. So people are free, to comment. So the comment that is important to you is nothing with all of us.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.